Are you tired of hidden bank fees eating away at your hard-earned freelance income? Let's unlock the mystery of Chase business account costs for freelancers like you. First, let's talk about account types. Chase offers several business checking accounts, but as a freelancer, you'll likely be looking at the Chase Business Complete Banking Account. This account is designed for small businesses and freelancers. The good news is there's no monthly service fee if you maintain a minimum daily balance of $2,000 or spend $2,000 on your Chase Inc. business card account. Otherwise, you'll typically pay a $15 monthly service fee. Important. Set a reminder or just keep the minimum balance above $2,000 to avoid this charge. Next, transaction limits can add up. The Chase Business Complete Banking Account includes 20 free transactions per month. After it's $40 per item. A transaction is any debit, credit, or deposited item. Other charges can include wire transfers, paper statements, and ATM fees. If you use non-Chase ATMs, review Chase's fee schedule online for the complete rundown. It's crucial to weigh these costs against the convenience and features offered by Chase. To learn more about saving money freelancing, click the link in the description for more resourceful information.